everybody. I'm playing... What do you think I'm playing? I'm playing Wolf Run. And my YouTube is called Ghost Herobrine, guys. So go look at that. And so yeah. I'm the newest YouTuber. Right today, I'm playing Minecraft. I'm going to be playing some other games. And I'm playing Wolf Run on Minecraft. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Welcome to Wolf Run. The maze started. Go here third. Hit. Put wolves here. How this works is you see above you there is a sensor that holds some potion. What the? I didn't even see this. Is that potion? Oh, that's potion. Okay. The sensor that holds some potion. The potions will affect all wolves. Just make sure all wolves you spawn get the effect. See if the chest you see a block. That block must cover this area. I do not know if I want to use it. Right? Oh, what? How did I get strength? To get leaping and swim. Not that's not fair. If the creator sees this, I'm sorry, I'm using a village to represent the original builder. Okay, no problem, no problem. What is this? Give a shout out to Heat Droid, member starter. Okay, walls. Play on peaceful. Do I have it on peaceful? Yeah, I do have it on peaceful, yeah. Play on peaceful. No using mods that can make players invincible to death. No bots. Okay, got that. Make sure wolf always following you. Read all signs. If they not okay, are this made by children? If they not following you. Oh wow. Spawn it again. Yeah, I don't know who made it. Potion. Oh. Anyway, it says it needs one speed potion. It also have that, the swiftness right there. And then I'm gonna take this. Has another swiftness potion. Take that. And get that. Stay in there. Okay, get that, put that on. Okay. So I want normal. Okay, guys, let's go Oh wait, we got our wolves. And let's get started with this. It's just fun and oh wait. Let me get 1 potion of leaping, 1 potion of strength, 1 potion of swiftness. Hopefully you don't. Is it by me? Do they? You know what? Oh, they started to hit me. Oh god. Gotta get my speed potion on. Okay. Woo. Oh, that hurts. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, Louise. Oh, God, I don't want. Oh, thanks for the boost. Did he bite me? Oh, Jesus. Why did I stop? I'm Ghost here, Brian. Run, Ghost here, Brian. Oh, you're so slow. So, guys, whenever I die, I'll end the episode. So, yeah, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And this will be in the link to get it. I mean, in the subscription. So, yeah. Ouch. Ouch. Ow. Oh, almost got into lava, everybody. Whew. I got the moves, Jagger. I got the move. Ouch, 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 ouch. I don't think the wolf survived that. Ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Don't worry. Ow. He did not make it. So we're gonna have to do one more. No. Goodbye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Subscribe to the channel. Later.